For Honor. Want that snazzy, shiny phone? With Android 8.1 Oreo and a super fast charging phone, you're in for some honest reviews, so keep watching. Hey, what's up guys, Adam Lobo here and you're watching Adam Lobo TV. If you guys are new, it's an honor to meet you. Do consider subscribing to my channel as I release videos every single week. And if you're returning as a subscriber, I'm honored to have you back. Now, similar to my previous videos, let's start with the unboxing. The Honor 10 comes in an all-white minimalist box with a sexy number 10 stamped on the front face of the box. Inside, you'll first see the phone covered with a plastic sheet, and underneath it, you'll find a white package with a SIM card ejector pin laid on top. And then there's a clear transparent case inside that package, so you know at least while you wait for your nicer case to arrive, you don't have to worry about getting that first scratch. Nice. Inside of the box, they've also provided a USB-A to USB-C cable and a rapid fast charging adapter with its supercharged capabilities. Now, although the phone comes with a 3.5mm headphones jack, and thank goodness for that, but there isn't any headphones provided, so Now, the Honor 10 comes with 4 colors for you guys to choose from, each with a very unique appeal to the phone, and what we have on hand right now is the snazzy Phantom Blue. Then there's also Midnight Black, Glacier Grey, and soon to arrive here in Malaysia, the Phantom Green. Now let's get down to the phone itself. The Honor 10 is powered up with the Kirin 970 chipset, and the octa-core processor is running on the latest Android 8.1 Oreo with the EMUI 8.1 interface skin. The phone comes with a non-expandable built-in storage of either 64 gigs or 128 gigs to choose from. You also get a choice between 4 or 6 gigs of RAM, and it comes with Bluetooth 4.2. Now, moving on with the build quality, I've mentioned earlier that the phone is snazzy because looking at the back of the phone shines through a reflective glass panel, somewhat like a mirror-like finish where you can see a color gradient of blue and purple when you tilt the phone from left to right. Honestly, very sexy. On the design front, it features a 5.84-inch IPS LCD Full HD Plus display with a resolution of 1080 by 20/80 pixels and a 19:9 aspect ratio. On the front glass panel, you see a thin bezel sub in front, a notch on top with the front-facing camera, and also the phone's earpiece speaker. There's also the fingerprint sensor, which is located at the bottom bezel under the glass screen. Now, coming to the sides, it has a smooth matte finish, which honestly looks super damn pleasing. On the top panel, I came to a surprise finding out there is an IR blaster on board. Next to it is a secondary noise cancellation microphone. Now, on the left panel, you'll find a dual SIM card slot, and on the right, there's the volume rocker and the power button. Now, coming down south, you'll see the 3.5mm headphones jack on the far left, and then moving to the right, there's the USB-C port and then the phone speaker. Now, for those of you who like paparazzi or Instagram-worthy photos, the Honor 10 takes super sharp and nice saturated photos. Now, the front camera holds a 24-megapixel lens where it takes pretty decent photos, but for my personal preference, I didn't like how the images were a bit too soft for the front-facing camera. But if you guys are into smooth finishing shots for your front-facing camera for a selfie, you'll definitely love this phone. Now, coming to the back camera, it's built with a dual lens where the primary camera is a 16-megapixel f1.8 and the other at 24 megapixels at f2.0, where it only captures black and white. And of course, the most talked about this phone is the AI camera integration. It smartly detects objects like face, so it gives it a portrait mode, or building, blue sky, or even food, and then it processes it to the best settings for the photo taken. Very smart. However, you can always switch off the AI feature even after taking the photo, which is great, allowing you to have 2 different options with or without the AI. And within the camera app, there's even more features such as Pro Mode, Slow-Mo, Night Shots, Panorama, and Light Painting. Now, as for video quality, the Honor 10 allows shooting at 4K UHD and 1080p Full HD+, where the video seems a bit more stable in Full HD. As for security, other than unlocking with your fingerprint, which unlocks very fast, there is a facial recognition too, which works decent even under low light condition. Now to the battery and the supercharged capabilities. The phone comes with a battery size of 3400 milliamps, and this should give you a decent battery life up to 7 hours. I've tested personally by having Waze on during my 3.5 journey from KL going to Penang with Spotify on through Bluetooth connectivity throughout the whole entire journey, yet I still had close to about 40% battery left. Now with the rapid charging function, the Honor 10 should be able to juice up lightning fast from 0 to 50% charge in 25 minutes. Now to sum it up, the Honor 10 is a great phone, so if you guys are looking to get a phone that packs up with almost all features that we general users would look for without making a hole in your wallet, this is it, as it only retails at 1,699 ringgit.
Say what?
So if you're thinking of getting the Honor 10, I recommend you guys to get the phone from official Honor stores, where I'll put links down below at the description. Hey guys, do me a favor. Let me know what you guys think of the Honor 10 at the comment section below. I would like to take this opportunity to also give a huge shout out to Honor Malaysia for sending out the Honor 10, and hope you guys got a kick out of watching this video. If you did, be sure to go Honor on the like button. Like, share and subscribe to Adam Lobo TV if you haven't done so. Don't forget to hit the bell icon just next to it to get notified for my future videos. Thank you so much for watching. This is Adam Lobo, and I'll catch you guys as usual next week.